The Land Transportation Office or LTO emphasized the fines and penalties operators and drivers may face if they are apprehended operating a colorum vehicle. According to LTO Chief Assistant Secretary Vigor Mendoza, they may be imprisoned from 6 years up to 12 years. They may also pay a fine of up to 3 million pesos and their vehicles will be impounded. Starting February 1, the LTO will conduct an extensive operation to apprehend unconsolidated traditional jeepneys. As early as less than 2 weeks before the strict implementation of the Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program, the LTO appeals to operators to comply with the program to avoid impounding of vehicles.
Manghuhuli tayo, definitely, no? Manghuhuli tayo. Kaya ngayon pa lang, kung may problema, ayusin na kagad.
2 weeks pa naman.
2 weeks pa naman.
Meanwhile, the LTO also considers shortage of public transportation when they strictly implement apprehension. ASEC Mendoza explained that their presence lessens the number of colorum vehicles plying on road.
LTO presence pa lang sa Cubao, nababawasan na kagad yung mga sasakyan. Nakikita nila. No? So yung mga colorum na tumatakbo, hindi muna tumatakbo. Ang report sa amin, medyo humaba ang pila ng mga pasero sa Cubao nung nag-implement ang LTO ng enforcement drive hanggang gabi.
In the previous statement of the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board or LTFRB and the Department of Transportation, they deny possible transport crisis. They said they will issue special permits to consolidated PUJ to cater passengers from routes of unconsolidated jeepneys. The LGUs will also provide libreng sakay from their assets. JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.